Ayan. So, meron tayong um, character dito na si Pili. So, basically, this character came from the Fortnite games. And so, the size is 3.75 inches. And so, meron tayong tatlong unique look. So, this one, yung nakasuit na white, tuxedo. Yan. Pero same face lang netong naka-black tuxedo naman. Same din, may accessory dito sa legs niya. And of course, yung original look niya. Ayan. The naked one. Yeah.